Red alert, guys. The pirates are way ahead of us with their derby car.
We have to get organized.
Dom, no phones at the table.
But Dad is...
No.
We can't assume that.
I know what the secret weapon is.
Dom.
Joke all you want, but I'm not coming in last again.
No way. We can do it this year. I know it. Let's get to work.
Gotta get building, Dad.
I'm on my way to the course now.
See you there. What do you guys think? Dom, Jesse should be painting the lightning on by now. No, I thought I had till the 12th. Today is the 12th. Ah!
Hey, where you going, buddy?
Wrong date. Going to Jesse's. Out of breath. Remind me in 1 hour to do another coat of paint.
Oh no. Hey Mia, they changed the race route, but I'm at my grandma's.
I'm on it. I'll send you a video of the new route. Turn around! And here's a big new turn.
I'm on a tight curve now, Grandma.
Bad news, guys. The pirates are also doing lightning. Come on, Jesse. You have to get to work on a different design.
No, she's saying that's the new theme.
Yeah, totally. That's what I was saying.
Dragons, that's it.
Mom, we gotta go.
Let's do this.
Go Dragons!
My first. That's how we stay connected.